So John, tell me what you're showing here at CES this week.
Well, at CES this week, we're bringing a product we just released. It started shipping today, as a matter of fact. It's the GAEMS Sentinel. It's a fully enclosed gaming environment for your console, whether that be an Xbox or a PlayStation or a micro ATX PC. This product has a 17.3-inch IPS panel. It is an Asus gaming panel, but that's where our relationship with Asus ends. We have our own chips, our own boards, everything else, and we create personal gaming environments that allow you to have your home theater experience anywhere you want to be, whether that's in the home or outside of your home.
And you said available now.
It is available now at newegg.com, at GameStop, in stores and online, as well as various other retailers.
And how much?
The price on this is $349, and that gets you the case and a storage bag that will help you carry any and all of your accessories with you anywhere you want to go.
And it looks dynamite. So among other things, check out GAEMS PGE, but it's GAEMS PGE.com.